Hello everyone, this is Chef Angelica. How are you? I'm making a somewhat traditional Chinese dan dan sauce, which is a Szechuan dish. It is incredibly flavorful. And what I added today was a homemade plum sauce. I was gifted these gorgeous little dark purple, so sweet plums off my neighbor's tree. I blended them with rice wine vinegar and a good Chinese 5-spice. And if they're not sweet enough, you can always add date or coconut sugar to it. Added it to this sauce, which is basically tamari, a little bit of coconut aminos, some mushroom water. I make this reconstituted mushroom meat, like granules, with chopped spinach and onions and garlic and carrots. It's very savory, very spicy. Those Szechuan red chili peppers really add a nice zing. But that plum sauce with the rice wine vinegar really gave it this extra layer of flavor. So what I'm saying is, always look at whatever you have in your fridge, abundance of plant-based goodness, proteins, produce, and veggies, and you can make something from them. Look at that. That's going to go over some rice noodles. That is one of my clients' favorite dishes. Full of protein, fiber, antioxidants, especially with the plums in there now. You got your greens, which I'm going to add probably another cup or two of spinach. And then top that with sliced green onions. Look at that. Chinese dan dan sauce. Plant-based vegan meal. Get your nutrition, eat your veggies. Ciao for now.